When searching for the best web hosting, you're often faced with a brutal choice: affordable price or powerful features. But honestly, that choice is kind of a lie, because Hostinger built its reputation on delivering both. Still, times change. So, does Hostinger still hold up as the best web hosting? I've used Hostinger for countless projects over the years, and I've recommended it to tons of people. But it's time to ask the tough questions again. Is it still the right investment for your website? Let my Hostinger Review 2025 answer that for you. The first thing that grabs anyone's attention about Hostinger is its price tag. So affordable it almost seems too good to be true. I mean, 25 websites with 25 gigabytes of storage for this price? Yet after extensive use, I can confirm there are no hidden traps or crazy renewal fees lurking in the shadows. None. Any extra costs are clearly stated, and I love that I always know how my renewals will change. Hey, if that's already enough for you, grab my Hostinger coupon code in the description or just scan the QR code on screen right now. For everyone else, the pricing is so user-friendly that sometimes I'll add extra stuff and later think, wait, with another host, I'd probably have been charged 5 times more by now. Plus, the 30-day money-back guarantee gives you a risk-free way to see for yourself. And it's not some old school process where you have to make 10 phone calls and pinky promise to cancel. Nope. Just click one button in the dashboard and you're done. So yeah, from the pricing model to the way they operate as a company, Hostinger is my favorite hosting provider. But let's break down how Hostinger's entry-level plans stack up against the competition in 2025. For a low introductory price, Hostinger's premium plan gives you 25 gigabytes of SSD storage, support for 25 websites, and unlimited bandwidth. Plus, you get freebies like a domain name and a professional email address. Compare that to GoDaddy, where entry plans usually start higher and give you less storage, or Bluehost, which can sometimes offer a lower starting price with discount links, but only gives you support for 10 sites and way less storage. Looking long term, without all the temporary deals and discounts other providers use to lure you in, Hostinger is probably the best starting plan for beginners. Honestly, it's solid for more advanced users too. Of course, for those with bigger ambitions, Hostinger's business and cloud plans scale impressively, offering up to 10 gigabytes of NVMe storage, which is way faster than traditional SSD, and the ability to host up to 100 websites. Yeah, you try juggling 100 different web projects and then only paying once for all of them. Don't let the low price fool you into thinking Hostinger is light on features. When you compare plans at similar price points, Hostinger packs in nearly everything a modern website needs. A free content delivery network to speed up global load times? Check. A free domain name for the first year on most plans? Absolutely. On top of that, Hostinger gives you a free dedicated IP on its cloud plans and includes Domain Whois Privacy to keep your personal info safe from spammers. Automatic website backups, weekly on cheaper plans, and daily on higher tier ones are a lifesaver that many other providers charge extra for. When stacked against a premium competitor like SiteGround, with its higher renewal cost, Hostinger holds its ground, offering a robust feature set for a fraction of the price others ask. Like most providers in the industry, Hostinger uses promotional pricing for new customers, which means the price does go up when it's time to renew. The good thing is Hostinger is pretty upfront about this. They clearly show the renewal rates right on their pricing page. Typically, your plan will renew at about double the intro rate. Now, while that sounds like a jump, remember, you're getting up to 4 years at a heavily discounted price if you use my discount link below. And compared to competitors like GoDaddy or SiteGround, let's just say the renewals can be way steeper. Oh, SiteGround. So my advice is simple. Lock in the lowest possible rate by choosing the longest term available, like 48 months. Just make sure you're aware of what that renewal bill will look like when the time comes. With such low prices, it's natural to be skeptical about performance. I know I was. Hostinger itself even labels the performance on its cheap web hosting plans as standard. So, is standard just code for slow? My answer after this Hostinger review is a resounding no. In fact, Hostinger Standard often outperforms the top tier offerings of other budget hosts. This is largely thanks to their commitment to modern technology, including light-speed web servers, which are significantly faster and more efficient than the older Apache servers many competitors still use. Combined with the built-in Lightspeed cache plugin, your website is optimized for speed right out of the box, frequently loading in under 1 second in real-world tests. Even after adding content, images, and products to test the site, Hostinger maintains impressive load times below Google's recommended 2.5 seconds. For growing sites, the included Lightspeed plugin offers advanced tools to keep that speed consistent. You can batch optimize images, clean your database, and minify code with just a few clicks, features that usually require paid plugins elsewhere. Hostinger's control panel also includes a built-in speed test tool, giving you valuable insights for both desktop and mobile performance. It also showed great stress test results, handling 50 virtual users browsing at the same time without any issues. And in the past few months, my website delivered 99.99% uptime, with maybe just a few minutes of downtime. Yeah, I'd say Hostinger proved that you don't have to sacrifice speed for affordability. So what about those controls? Can you manage a website on your own? Yes, absolutely. Instead of the industry standard cPanel, Hostinger developed its own custom dashboard, hPanel. And after doing my Hostinger hPanel review, I can say this is one of my favorite aspects of their service. The hPanel is clean, intuitive, and remarkably user-friendly, making complex tasks feel simple. For example, installing WordPress through hPanel is a quick few-click process, a stark contrast to the multi-step wizards you get with cPanel. The same simplicity applies to creating professional email accounts and managing domains, and you can even create email marketing campaigns for free with the help of AI. hPanel isn't just for beginners. It also includes all the advanced tools you'd expect, like SSH access management, PHP version control, and staging environments for testing changes safely. AI is even starting to be integrated directly into WordPress. You can now create content or even new designs without leaving the platform. While hPanel is generally fast, I'll be honest, it can occasionally feel sluggish or freeze during periods of high activity or updates. However, considering how often it's improved with new features, that's an inconvenience I'm more than happy to live with. Want to know something even better than all the things I've mentioned? Every hosting plan includes the Hostinger AI website builder. While it may lack some of the more complex tools, it comes with a curated selection of over 150 stylish, modern templates and is a super powerful way to create a professional looking site without any code. And it's completely free for you. Yeah, remember that 25 website limit? Well, you can have 15 WordPress sites and 10 website builder projects. No extra fees, no restrictions. While it might not have the massive app marketplace of Wix, what it does have is really good AI. You can use the AI auto builder to generate a complex website simply by describing what you want and then utilizing content generators to craft exactly what you need. Basically, with the AI, you can build an entire unique website in minutes, even generating logos and optimizing SEO. Yeah, for anyone looking to create a portfolio, a small online store, or a business landing page in the easiest, most modern way, Hostinger Website Builder is a superb, hassle-free option. Just keep in mind that it's still a relatively new tool on the market, so it's worth checking out the roadmap to see if the features you need are already available or coming soon. One last thing to check in my Hostinger Review 2025 is how secure the provider is. And honestly, Hostinger offers a strong security foundation, especially for its price point. Every domain comes with a free automatically renewing Let's Encrypt SSL certificate, which is essential for protecting user data and building trust. Their servers are also protected with a web application firewall, DDoS protection, and continuous malware scanning to keep your site safe. For me, the most valuable security feature is the automatic backups. Having weekly or even daily snapshots of your site provides invaluable peace of mind, and Hostinger includes this service for free, while many competitors charge for backup creation or restoration. On top of that, you get an AI troubleshooter. Yeah, just like on Windows. Except this one actually fixes issues. Not all, but most. Your plugins are also constantly checked, and if any problem is detected, you're not only informed about it, but also given details about the issues, helping you learn more about web security. And one last tool you'll use almost every day is Cody, a chatbot that understands natural language and helps you with most tasks. Really, you can even try Cody without a subscription, so go test it out. Is there a perfect web hosting provider? Well, let me ask you, is there a perfect friend? Probably not. You'll run into some issues here and there, but if I had to pick one perfect hosting friend, it would, without a doubt, be Hostinger. Is Hostinger worth it? Yes. It basically offers an ideal balance of price, performance, and features. Good lord, there are so many free features. It delivers exceptional value, giving beginners and small businesses powerful tools and resources that are affordable and, most importantly, easy to use. The newest technology, a modern dashboard, AI to handle all the annoying parts of web building, even a roadmap to keep me informed about upcoming changes. I don't know, I just feel like I'm actually valued here, and not just a number in a spreadsheet. If you want to experience the same feeling, I've got a discount link in the description, or you can scan the QR code on screen right now. With that simple 30-day money-back guarantee, you literally have nothing to lose, and you can thank me later for finding your new best web friend. Okay, after my hosting a review, and if you've already used it, what's your opinion about it? What other providers do you like or want me to cover? Or maybe you'd like an even more in-depth review of Hostinger. Let's have a chat in the comments below. You can find more of my videos on the screen right now, but for everyone else, I'll see you next time.